your Jetra Construction Corporation Team Building 2025!
Stay cool and clear my mind. I'm a checklist, X on paper, and have a real good time. Muy caliente, watch my moves like I'm the sensei. Beat real hard, cooked it al dente. Now everybody rise for the presidente. I got a lot to say and a whole lot more to do. I'm trying to celebrate and put y'all in the mood. Sipping lemonade, please don't get it misconstrued. It's the same old me, yeah, the same OG, but new and improved. I just wanna have some fun before it's all said and done. All I wanna do is have some fun before it's said and done. All I wanna do is get a little crazy. Is that okay? All I wanna do is have some fun before it's said and done. All I wanna do is get a little crazy. Is that okay? All I wanna do is have some fun before it's said and done. All I wanna do is get a little crazy. Is that okay?
Mahaba pa yan, meron pa bukas. Thank you sa suporta. Enjoy lang tayo.
On behalf of the Ibanez family, I would like to welcome each and everyone. For those who woke up early just to be with us today, we are very grateful. May this day be a fun memory for each and every one of us.
So yung mga bago, hello, welcome. Ganito kami sa Jetrac. Tingnan nyo kami, tumanda na rito.
Sa'yo na lang, ikaw na lang.
So yun.
Thank you guys sa performance natin today.
Meron kaming vision, kami ni Boss, ni Justin, which is number 1, expand Visayas and Mindanao. Which is nagawa na natin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Misamis and Cebu Group na dumayo dito sa atin para makisalo.
As you can see, our team is not only colored, it's now with core values. We hope that the core values that you are holding right now will become our core values throughout our service from Jetrac and JCMY. Welcome everyone and good luck!
Hello Jetrockers, I'm Architect Justin Ibanez from JCMY Construction Corporation, the Vice President of Operations of our subsidiary company. It's nice to see you ulit sa ating yearly team building. Last year, nasa 120 pa lang tayo. Ngayon, 220 na tayo in total. Nakaka-proud yung progress natin. Let's keep up the teamwork and growth. Hindi tayo uunlad sa project kung nagkulang yung isang departamento. Magkasama tayo lahat. Together, we all make up Jetrock and JCMY. It's such a pleasure working with you mga Jetrockers. And I would like to thank you to our organizers, our amazing support staff, and Forest Crest for making our team building a success. Thank you.
Nandoon with the help of God, nandoon yung destiny na magsama-sama tayo together.
Nakakatuwa lang na iba-ibang departments magkakasama, iba-ibang job site magkakasama. Sa mga dati na dito, kita nyo naman na nag-grow tayo as a company, padami tayo ng padami.
Sa dami nyo ngayon, last year, it's only about 120. Now we are 200 plus. 220? Am I right?
Hindi lahat ito magiging posible kung wala siyempre kayo. Nakikita ko naman, nandito na yung mga tamang tao na tumutulong para mapatakbo ang Jetrac. Katulong kayo.
Pangilang team building na ba natin to? Pero ayun, hanggang ngayon, nag-i-enjoy pa rin naman kami. Sana umabot na kami next year.
We are the
responsibilidad! Para sa ayaw magpapigil!
Namumula, Red Team!
Tabi, nandito na ang Verde! Bing sa baba, Bing sa taas, Bing tayong lahat!
We start with A, then nag-double A, then nag-triple A. We are aspiring to be a quadruple A.
So last, hopefully, makuha natin to be a quadruple A company as well. Sana guys, tulungan nyo kami. Magtulungan tayo.
And this is not impossible. It is very reachable. Why? Because we have all of you at our back.
Tulad nga na sinasabi nila, yun lahat, kung saan papunta ang Jetrack, lahat tayo bit-bit dyan. Salamat guys.
Me and my family, talagang papasalamat kami at magkakasama tayo rito.
Enjoy this day. Relax. Alam ko, lahat kayo nagtatrabaho ng mabuti. Salamat.
My heart belongs to you guys. Thank you very much.
And we wish you all the best. Jetrack Construction Corporation and JCMY, maraming salamat po.
1, 2, 3,